Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Acura Kifo battery. This came out of a 2013 Acura RL, but used for different models as well. You will need two batteries of CR 2025 and you can click on the link below to get them online. So first what we have to do is to take the emergency key by pressing this button right here, and here it comes. Now I will take a big enough flathead, okay, do not use a small one, take a big one, and I will just, in this slot right here, I will turn clockwise, okay, very gently, no need to apply a lot of pressure, okay, as you can see, you can open the key fob. Now, here is the battery area, okay, so, as I mentioned, two batteries, 2025, to take them out, right here, small flathead, underneath one, and the second one same thing, two. Now these two are good batteries, so I'll use them again. First we put this part and then we press. So goes for the second one as well, the bottom part, and we press. Now the cover, make sure that everything is good, put the emergency key back. And that's it, you're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.